Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful artichoke dip using fresh artichokes. First, select 2 or 3 medium-sized fresh artichokes. You'll want to trim off the tough outer leaves and snip the thorny tips. Then, cut each artichoke in half and carefully scoop out the fuzzy choke using a spoon. This preparation ensures your dip will be smooth and enjoyable. Now, it's time to cook your prepared artichoke halves. You can either steam them or boil them in lightly salted water until they are tender. This usually takes about 25 to 35 minutes. You'll know they're ready when a fork easily pierces the base. Once cooked, let them cool completely before moving on to the next step. With your artichokes cooled, finely chop the tender hearts. In a large bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Finally, add your chopped artichoke hearts to the mixture and blend everything together until it's well combined and smooth. Now for the final delicious step. Transfer your creamy artichoke dip mixture into a small baking dish. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's bubbly and has a lovely, lightly golden brown top. Serve this warm, delightful dip with your favorite crackers, pita bread, or fresh vegetable sticks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.